Question number 19 here is electrons revolve around the nucleus in orbit that have dash energy levels. We know that if you represent a structure of any atoms, so atom will be having a nucleus and the electrons will be revolving around it in a particular orbit. Let's take one example. If I say this is the nucleus of any atom, let's take the nucleus of hydrogen atom in the case. If I say, and this is going to be the orbit with which the hydrogen electron must revolve, and when the electrons of the hydrogen jumps from the lower energy level to the higher, it that will be done only by gaining the energy. This is, I can say, the first orbit, n is equals to 1. And let's take this is another orbit around it, that's gonna be n is equals to 2, I can say. That's then another orbit, that is n is equals to 3, and so on. So n is equals to 3 and so on. Each orbit will be having the different energy. So if I say E1 is the energy of the first orbit, E2 is the energy of the second orbit, and the E3 is the energy of a third orbit. So different orbit will be having a different energy level. So the electron in the first energy level, that is electron in the first orbit, let's say assume this is an electron over here. This electron can jump from the first energy level to the second by absorbing the energy. It can also jump from the first energy level to the third energy level as well, again by absorbing the energy. But while it jumps from the lower energy level to the another, like higher, it absorbs the energy. While coming back from the higher energy level to the lower energy level, it emits the light. It emits the light. We usually say it emits the photon, and that having the different wavelength. So like if it is jumping from the higher energy level, so electron jumping from here to the backward, so it emits the light energy which has the different wavelength, and that's what how it goes from the lower energy level to the higher and vice versa. So the question here is about the what about their energy levels. They will be having the variable energy level, so not the finite means same. So they like finite, or rather than saying the same, we can say the fixed. So they are like not the finite, so they are also not the same. So that's why we go with the option variable. So this will be the answer to the question number 19.